my channel, and today we're going to be doing a Christmas tablescape. And as you guys know, I always start off with a clean space. I like to start off a tablescape by placing a runner or a centerpiece in the middle of the table. This runner is from PEIR1 and is 72 inches long. I chose this runner because of the color palette. It matches my living room and my kitchen decor. Now you guys, how gorgeous is this Luxe mirror charger plate? I saw this at PEIR1 and I fell in love instantly. Okay, I purchased each charger for $24.95 and received an additional 20% off by signing up for their mailing list. And I would definitely recommend all the new PEIR1 members to sign up for it. Now, if you want to save a little bit of money and go with a more affordable charger that resembles this, definitely check out your at-home store and your home goods store. I can't remember which one I saw them at, but I definitely saw them. I've just been doing a lot of shopping. Now, I added this white snowflake plate to the table to add a touch of winter. If you want to also, I'm going to give you an alternative. If you want to save a little bit more money and you have some white dishes already in your cabinet, then I would definitely pull those out and use it. I did purchase this from PEIR1 and I want to say that it was about $8.95 a piece. And remember you guys, I am doing a setting for 6 people. And now I'm just going around the table and placing each plate on top of the charger. Now let's just, for a moment you guys, let's just sit back and reflect on how beautiful and glamorous this champagne glass looks. I mean, it definitely complements the table in such an elegant way. And you can find them at your local Ross for $5 per glass. You know how I feel about adding any type of glamorous, blingy look, and that is how I come up with my glam style. I purchased this Garland from Big Lots for, I want to say $10 a piece. Now, it's actually 2 bundles of Garland. And I just chose to overlap them. I was really drawn to this particular Garland because of the glitter. Be careful with the glitter, it does get everywhere. But I just can't help it, you guys. I love everything that sparkles. Next up, I found a great deal at PIER1 on this silver bling napkin ring. It pairs well with the champagne glasses I found at Ross. I mean, it was definitely meant to be. And the original price for them were $5 a piece at PIER1. Next, this white Christmas tree table topper was also on sale, and this was definitely a great find at Big Lots along with this beautiful tree. And I purchased both of them for $12. The original price was $18.99. I'm just placing each one at the opposite ends of the table. Because they are the exact same height, I didn't want to place them next to each other. The last thing is this beautiful 3-piece candle set. And I, of course, was drawn to it because of the color, which is silver, and the garland, which is white. It also has a battery pack, and I'm going to place that in the center. Now, for the last addition to the table, I'm adding a Luxe faux fur rug that I purchased from Ross. And it is $20. And you can drape it over the side of a chair, and in my case, I did it on the side of the bench. Guys, feel free to leave me a comment down below letting me know if you're going to decorate your table for the holidays and what your color palette is going to be. I would love to read them. If you're new to my channel, do not forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you won't miss any of my videos. And I'll see you guys in another video.